Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate by cocoa powder. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of your favorite milk. We'll also use a small splash of hot water or milk to create a smooth paste, ensuring your hot chocolate is perfectly lump-free and delicious. Now, let's create the essential cocoa paste. In a small saucepan, combine your 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add about 2 tablespoons of hot water or milk to this dry mixture. Stir it well with a spoon or whisk until you have a smooth, thick paste. This crucial step ensures your hot chocolate will be wonderfully creamy without any powdery lumps. With your cocoa paste ready, it's time to add the rest of the milk. Pour the remaining 1 cup of milk into the saucepan with your paste. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Stir continuously as the mixture heats up, ensuring everything is well combined and the sugar dissolves completely. Keep stirring until it's hot and steaming, but be careful not to let it come to a rolling boil. Your delicious hot chocolate is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the steaming beverage into your favorite mug. For an extra treat, consider adding some whipped cream, a few fluffy marshmallows, or even a light dusting of cinnamon or extra cocoa powder on top. Take a moment to savor the rich, comforting flavor of your easy homemade hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.